What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to scan a QR code in Bitget Wallet. So you might be wondering how to use the camera feature or the QR scanner directly built in here in Bitget Wallet. Well, this one is pretty easy. So before doing so, I would highly recommend you to first make sure that you have the latest version of the Bitget Wallet. So that involves you going to Google Play Store, searching Bitget here and just updating it. But in this case, I'm assuming you already have this fully updated. Let's go open it up. Now from here, as you can see, this is the main UI or the homepage for Bitget Wallet. But as you can see, at the top right of your screen, you have three icons. So you have the notification icon and also the link icon. But you also have that weird square that has a dash at the middle of it. So that's actually the QR code scanner button. So if you click on it, it's going to ask you to allow camera access. So just click on enable. And from here, click on while using the app. Now once you've done that, this should open up the QR code scanner, and you can just start using it, scan a QR code that you want to use. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.